As a gardener, I'm constantly changing, expanding and growing my garden in different ways. And the 430X NERA really gave me the flexibility to change my garden whenever I decided that I wanted something new. Hi, I'm Cass and we're at my home in Booroorban, New South Wales. I live on a sheep station with my husband Marcus and my 2 children. I started Outback Gardens because I was a little bit sick of just seeing these beautiful lush green gardens in the Southern Highlands or down in Victoria, and I wanted to show people what you could create in a climate like mine. Before having my robotic lawnmower, we just found during peak growing season of summer, we always had overgrown lawns and then we'd cut it back and you'd have to be raking. I first saw the Automowers at the Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show in Melbourne. There was a demo set up and we decided that we would like to invest. It was incredible how quickly it took control of our lawn and kept it at the level that we wanted. Because I was so enthusiastic about my 430X model, Husqvarna approached me to collaborate on their 430X NERA wireless model. I had a team from Husqvarna come out and they did an inspection of my yard to make sure that it was suitable. And then they installed the reference station for me and helped me to install the lawnmower with all its zones as well. There's no turning back. It's just perfect all the time. I spend a little bit more time in the garden beds, which is always nice, and just spending time with the kids, going and seeing friends on the weekend or doing sporting activities that we can allocate that time doing something else rather than sitting on a lawnmower. The robotic lawnmowers have really helped to maintain a consistent lawn throughout all seasons. So whether that's in winter, when the growth rate's really slowed down and you can raise up the deck. In summer, you can lower the cutting height to make sure that you've got a beautiful maintained lawn all year round. They can run all the time, rain, hail, shine. You don't even notice the lawn clippings. They're so small. It's like shaving a beard every single day rather than waiting till the end of the week. So those tiny small clippings are mulched back into the lawn and they're used as almost a fertilizer. The obstacle avoidance is really handy. I can see if the dog runs in front of it or the kids are nearby, they've left a toy, it will avoid those obstacles really easily. The noise is quite minimal, so we're not disrupting ourselves, our children, and the robotic lawnmower doesn't seem to disturb wildlife at all. And we're not having to fill it up because it's battery run. It just goes into its charger and we're not having to worry about the smell of fumes with the kids around. And with these sustainability features, I'm really glad to be doing my part to look after the planet. Husqvarna Automower Connect app has lots of great features, but most of the time I only use the app to change the cutting times and just to see where the Automower is. The Husqvarna Automower robotic lawnmower is a game changer, especially for rural families.